Kinetek is launching its second syllabus in the Complete Cinematography Workshop University, the Data Camera and its crew, a complete syllabus from beginner to pro. Starting at ground zero, this comprehensive set of tutorials studies in extreme depth everything you would need to know about the data camera, how it works, how to operate and get the most out of the camera you are using. Learn how camera crews function on set, the responsibilities of each member, how to manipulate exposure to capture the image you truly want, work off sticks, balance colors, professional terms and lingo, know all the peripheral equipment used during shoot, naming conventions, how to pull focus like the pros, the power of the DIT, camera techniques, tricks and so much more. This set of workshops span from the correct way to clean a lens to the professional way to set up a multi-cam coverage shoot for a major movie production. Everything you need to know and more about the tool that captures your cinematography and how to make it work best for you. Click the link below to master the data camera.